Hi, good morning. Welcome back to the session. It is a very common issue for everybody after a certain age that how to deal with the wrinkles on the forehead. So first of all, let's understand how these wrinkles are generated. Then we will find out the ways how to eliminate these wrinkles and which is the best way to start preventing these. So generally speaking, wrinkles begin to form as collagen breaks down inside the skin. So here is the list of things which you can consider why these wrinkles are being generated. So most common causes of the breakdown of the collagen and forehead wrinkles are: number one is stress. As we already have discussed that when you are stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, and which has been known to break down the collagen inside the skin and also breaks down the bond between cortisol and elastin, and ultimately the flexibility of the skin gets damaged. It reduces. Another factor is the facial expressions. So frequent and same kind of facial movement can cause premature aging. The muscle retain the memory of these movements, which can create permanent forehead wrinkles over the time. That means if you are repeating the same movement again and again, then it creates a wrinkle at that place. Even fine lines becomes very prominent at that place. One of the other factors is smoking. So smoking can narrow down the blood vessels into the uppermost layer of the skin, and this can have a negative effect on blood flow in your skin, and then it leads to the wrinkles. Other factor is the poor diet. So your diet can definitely help your skin by providing essential nutrients. So make sure you are having such kind of diet which are full of antioxidants and is helping our body to make and create collagen inside. Another factor is the exposure of sun and ultraviolet rays exposure. Although it is important to expose into the sun to get the vitamin D, but along with that, harmful rays of the sun can contribute to the collagen breakdown inside the skin. Then other factor which is not in your hand, that is genetics. So to a certain extent, these genetics dictate how well or soon you will age. So genetic helps to determine your ability to generate collagen and elastin also. With both support, the resistance against the wrinkles will increases. So if the collagen and elastin bonds are in a proper manner, so chances of wrinkles are very less. These were the causes for wrinkle generation. But how about its treatment? First of all, you should know that you need to give some time and consistent treatment procedure for this elimination of the wrinkles. Well, you can easily treat wrinkles on forehead without using any artificial and expensive treatments. And these effective natural ways are like: number one, almond oil. The use of almond oil. Almond is famous for its effectiveness on treating skin. Not only does this almond oil smooth your skin, but it also helps to restore it. So massage with some almond oil on your forehead and sleep without washing it. Another one is flax seed oil, alsi ka tel. It is rich in omega-3 and antioxidants that pump your skin's outer layer. So for 2 weeks, if you massage with the flax oil on your forehead before going to bed, so you will see noticeable results. Another one is olive oil. So by applying a few drops of olive oil and coconut oil together, you will be creating a powerful moisturizing mix, and that improves your facial charm. You just have to massage with this combination of oil and wait it for 2 hours. Now simply orange and lemon can make you look young and youthful because it maintains the collagen and elastin in your skin. Just apply citrus fruit, any food which has got citrus quality, which has got vitamin C जो खट्टा होता है, with some rose water on your forehead, so wrinkles will give proper treatment for this. There is another option by the name of castor oil. हिंदी में बोलते हैं जिसे अरंडी का तेल. So if you will apply few drops of castor oil on the forehead, so wrinkle will go very quickly and you will get the effect very soon when you will do it for at least 14 days consistently. Next one is coconut oil. Personally, coconut oil is my favorite wrinkle remedy. because it smells great and keeps your skin very smooth and wrinkle free. All you need to do is to take a few drops of coconut oil and massage it gently on your forehead to get fully absorbed. Anything which is rich in vitamin E, because vitamin E is the food for the skin. So aloe vera and egg combination works very well to treat the wrinkles on forehead. So just mix 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel and 1 egg white and apply it on your forehead twice a week for the better results. There is one more option, that is jojoba oil. So the best results can be achieved by applying jojoba oil with your fingertips and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then wash your forehead with some lukewarm water and you will find wrinkles vanished. But for this you need to apply it consistently at least for 14 days. Similarly, there is another option, that is petroleum jelly. So finally, petroleum jelly is amazing because it prevents the formation of wrinkles and restores your skin's vitality. So just apply a thin layer of this petroleum jelly on the forehead before going to bed and let the magic work when you sleep. So try any of these things. Even if you do not have wrinkles on your forehead and you apply these treatments, so chances of getting wrinkles on your forehead reduces drastically.